Jim from Sweeson City, California, has a question about a post.
It's right where he doesn't want it.
All right.
Jim writes, I just had 100 feet by 10 feet of cement poured and finished, and there is an existing fence and gate with a 1x4 post around which the cement was poured. Well, unfortunately, his plan ran awry because he hadn't measured for the mirrors on his truck.
Yes.
Whoops. So Jim wants to know how to remove that post without messing with the concrete.
Okay, you just cut it off. If it's a wooden post, 4x4 post, you take it, you cut it off, and you just grind it smooth, and you'll have the top of that post there. Eventually, someday, it probably will rot out. But I'm talking 20 years from now. And at that point, you won't care about your new concrete because it'll be old. And if you need to, you can just chip it out a little bit and then put a little vinyl concrete patch on the hole, and you'll be fine. And go ahead and reset the new one. That's all you can do. You're not going to take out all that concrete for that little 4x4. It's poured on there real tight, so just make a nice clean cut.
Or, you know what you could do? You could do all that and then go down to the store and get yourself like a little silver star or a badge or something and attach it to it. And people say, what is that?
You could nail something to it.
That's my stupid trophy.
Or you can make the gate lower so your mirrors are on top of it.
Oh, that's a good idea, too.
Have a little low gate.
I like the stupid trophy better.
That's cool. That's fine.
All right. You got questions? We'd be happy to help you out. Just send us them to HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them like these videos over here. And, of course, you subscribe to our channel, you'll be helping us and helping you.